Hey guys, it's Miz and I'm doing a small YouTuber tag video today. I did my makeup today and I was going to do a tutorial, but I forgot to film and I didn't think it was going to turn out as good as it did. But instead, we're going to do the small YouTuber tag. I have my laptop over here and the questions. Don't mind the back because it's sturdy. It really is, because I just did my makeup and I just felt like filming.
Like a G.
So the first question is, what inspired you to start making videos? And what inspired me to make videos is that a lot of people, or a lot of the people that I watch on YouTube, they would just make videos from their phone or from like a crappy camera, and I just wanted to do the same thing. I wanted to sit in front of a camera and just talk about my life and share my experiences. I feel like I do a lot of stuff, like I'm super busy all the time, and I would love to share that with other people and like vlog where I go. I love traveling, I love going to concerts. Makeup's something I'm starting to get into. Like, I've always loved makeup, but not like cut creases and really nice brows and stuff, just like enough to get me to look decent outside the house and not look scary to approach people. But I just started to get inspired by the people who do the same things as me and share it with the world. How long have you been on YouTube, and have you had other channels? I've been on YouTube, this account, since I think 2013, or no, I don't remember, 15? I think I had this account since 2013, I think, and I started posting my first video in 2015, but I also had a different channel before this one. It was pretty popular, like I had like 500 subscribers, but I deleted that because that was embarrassing. I had a Justin Bieber account. Like, I did Justin Bieber collections and reviews and like album reactions and all that fun stuff. Yeah, so that was my other channel. The third one is, where do you see yourself and your YouTube channel in the next 5 years? So 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23, hopefully I'll be doing movies because I'm also going to film school, but I guess as I do movies, maybe I could vlog a little when I'm on set, or when I'm doing like PA jobs. Oh my gosh, I did not mean to do that. Or when I'm doing like PA jobs, which is like production assistant. If you don't know what that is, I really want to do that. And also, I went on The Voice. Not like I wasn't singing on it, but I was like one of the audience members, and I really liked how like the behind the scenes was, and it was fun to watch the people record and stuff. So I want to do something like that. So that's where I see myself, and with my YouTube channel, hopefully maybe at 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so what message are you trying to get across your videos? Let's see. I want to be helpful. I want to inspire people to live their best life and to have a little bit more confidence in themselves, because when I first started doing my YouTube channel, I was like, oh, I don't really have confidence, and I don't really want to sit in front of the camera, and like if I have to sit in front of the camera, then I have to have makeup on. And I feel like you don't have to be like super fancy, look like Beyonce in front of the camera, as long as you're comfortable with yourself and you're confident in yourself, and your subscribers or the people who watch your videos like your personality. That's all that really matters. So I guess live your best life and be true to yourself. Do people from school find your channel? Well, in high school, I like promoted that like everywhere I went. I was like, you go watch my YouTube channel. But it wasn't like weird or anything, because I was the person who was like doing photo shoots, and I was always recording everything. I was like Snapchat 24/7, so they wouldn't be surprised if I was recording. What does your YouTube channel mean? No, what does your username mean? What does your username mean? MizzleB. I'm Mizzle, and I guess baby, I guess I just don't want to grow up. I just want to live forever, stay young. So I'm staying young forever by having this YouTube channel. I guess that's my little me. Let's see. Favorite small YouTubers. All the YouTubers that I watch are low-key big. There's a bunch of beauty gurus that I like to watch. I don't really know them, not by heart. I just like, I wouldn't consider them small. Like if they have 1,000 subscribers, it's pretty big to me. But I guess I'll link some down below that you guys can check out. So being a small YouTuber isn't a bad thing. I don't think I'm a small YouTuber. I just do it for fun. I think it's fun to like edit and like sit in front of the camera. Some days I don't want to sit in front of the camera, and some days I'm sick and I'm like, oh, I want to film, and I don't want to stop filming. I always want to find something else and challenge myself to do something more. If I remember to record, like I do vlogs sometimes and I'm like, oh my gosh, I forgot to record, and we've done so much already. But I just like to do it for the fun of it. I love editing. My passion kind of started when I did photography, and I was like, why don't I branch out to doing video? I've always been like outgoing and talkative, so I was like, why not make a YouTube channel and see where that gets me. But yeah, okay, so overall, being a small YouTuber, oh my bad, sorry, my nose was itching. Being a small YouTuber is not a bad thing at all. I believe everyone starts from nowhere, and you know, if you're starting out now or if you're going to start out later, the time is right when you want to start, because it takes a lot of like motivation, a lot of dedication, a lot of time, a lot of hours of editing, a lot of promoting yourself, a lot of spreading the word to your word about your channel. Like it gets repetitive and it gets kind of like discouraging because it's not getting anywhere, or your subscriber count went like it lowered because you're not posting, or people are not really looking for your videos, or not really reaching it, or they're just not looking at your stuff. But I feel like in time it will all work out. I feel like you put your hard work in now, people will start to recognize it later. And I know like a YouTube is like, how do I say this? Like I don't know the word or like the sentence to combine it all together, but everyone wants to do YouTube, so it's kind of like hard to find like the real people who are really willing to do YouTube, I guess. So you know, you gotta stay passionate, and if you really want to work towards it, then keep doing what you're doing. I know a lot of people were discouraged when they did like the monetization thing, and some people didn't have 10,000 hours of watch time and they didn't have 1,000 subscribers. But I feel like if you're really passionate about YouTube, that you will continue to do it no matter the hours or the subscribers that you have. I personally have a job, and I'm like, YouTube's just something I like to do on the side because it's fun to do. I like to edit. I like to show the world what I'm doing. I'm always on Snapchat. I'm always posting on Instagram stories. I'm always just sharing my experience with everyone. But